everybody, it's Neil, and check out these. These are by WISHBETY. They are night vision goggles. So what's cooler than night vision goggles? Almost nothing, I would say. They're cool, and this is kind of some of the information about it here, if that means anything to anyone. But let's check out and see what's inside the box. Here we go. Here's the warranty card. It has some, here's the instructions for it. Here's a little cleaning cloth. We have a, I guess this is going to be the strap to hold it. Rechargeable, so there's the USB to USB-C. It's got USB-C in there. So here are the binoculars. Let's see if there's anything else in here that I need to see. Go to do that. Nothing there. Nothing there. So that's pretty much it. It's empty except for some weird little triangle. Oh, it's the inspection card. Okay. So let's check these out. So this is them. You got a little peel off there. Peel off there. This one here doesn't have anything to peel off. So let's see if we are good to go. I don't know. I see nothing now. I don't know how to turn it on or anything. We probably have a switch somewhere, or it might need to be charged. I guess we need to look at the instructions to figure this part out. But this is what it looks like here. I'll show you. You got a big square there. I guess that's where it's going to be getting the stuff. And then there's where you probably look through. But let's see what the instructions say to turn it on. Power on, off. So remove the plug to charge it. Oh, right there's the on, off. So I guess we would button, remove the rubber plug. So we have to remove this rubber plug somehow. Oh, there we go. So there, the rubber plug just kind of hanging there, and I can just turn it from off to on. Oh, it's got a little SD card in there to record it, and there's the charging part. So there, I'll turn it to on. Probably wants me to charge first, but we'll see if it works anyway. And then here's the on button up top. So let's see, the pass-through switch buttons to turn it off position when leaving the factory is turned on for the first time, and at this time the machine will not be turned on. Press the product button this for 3 to 5 seconds. So let's see. I guess it's this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not sure. Do I look through? Oh, I don't know. Don't see anything. I'll be back in a minute when I figure this out. Okay, I am truly a moron of sorts, but you can see the video is in this side. I look through this side, and this is the pictures there. So I would look through, and then I will use this one here to focus. So let me see if I can do this here. Yeah, so like that is kind of focused. So you guys can kind of see through here. I don't know what it's looking at. Like there, it's looking at a picture or something. I'm trying to see, how do I do this? Oh, so there we are looking at a picture on the wall. So it's kind of got that. But I can try the night vision and see if it does anything. I don't know, because it's still pretty bright out here. I might have to try this again in the dark. How do I turn this light off? There, the light's off. This light off. Yeah, I think we're still in daytime kind of mode. So you can kind of see stuff in there, but it's still the daytime view. So we'll try again when it's a little bit darker and see what we get. Okay, so you can see I'm looking through the camera now at these trees and stuff, and it looks really good. It gets super close and super clear. I don't know how clear it is for y'all looking at it through there, you see. But look how far away it is there. And then when I do it here, it's very cool. So really nice. Can't wait for nighttime to do it, but let me see, I'll show you what happens when you push the buttons for the nighttime view. It does it like that. So that's what it's gonna look like in the night. So it'll look like that. So very cool. And there. It's got a few different views of it, but we're just super zoomed in. Be able to check the animals out in the trees. We're not really in a forest here, so it won't see too much, but you get the idea. And how cool is that? So this is super cool. So I'm gonna say these night vision goggles are just super awesome and get a super thumbs up from me. And I like the way they're rechargeable and they totally work great. So, I mean, I don't know anything, bad about them at all. And it's got all the different buttons on there for for stuff that you need to do. Is it upside down? Upside down. So yeah, so all the different buttons and things like that are available for the, you know, recording it and setting the different IR modes, and it's got the menu to do different things in the screen. You can see we've got all the different language settings and time settings, power off settings, and things like that. So you get everything but this one. It's just a fully functioning, like a whole computer inside of this thing. So very cool. Okay, so you can see it's pretty dark out, but when we look through here, we can see stuff. See, there's the trees and stuff. And that's in just regular mode. Let me see if I can show you guys what it looks like here when I change the different views. So there we go into night vision mode. Look at that. How cool is that? And there we can even see it better. See, there's some train tracks over there. I don't think we can ever get that. No, we can see the trees though. How cool. Wow. It's so dark. I can't see the trees, but I see them with this. Even in the color mode, I can still see them. That's great. Like here, you might be able to see them. See, you can barely see them in the camera. You just can't see much. So super cool. I'm gonna say this is awesome. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.